Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add WebChatGPT in your Google Chrome. So you can see I'm in the Google Chrome. So what you need to do, you need to tap here. You can see three dot right top corner on your screen. Simply tap on that, click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see the option extensions. So just uh, hover here and visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, so click on that, and after that you will get here the interface of Chrome Web Store. So what you need to do, you need to click here extension, or you can click search extension. So type here web chat GPT and enter, and here you'll see the option feature, this one web chat ChatGPT. Click on that, and then you can see there are some ratings like 1 million plus user here, and there are many things. So what you need to do, you need to click on add to Chrome and add extension. Okay, so it takes few time to add it in your Chrome. So you can see it's added now. So you have to log in or sign up, and after that you can use this. So you have to choose here, then it is now here. So if you want to use, then click on that, then you will get the web version. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.